All right guys, today we're working on a 2023 Toyota Tundra. We're gonna be installing a 6-inch rough country kit. We're gonna be putting on 20-inch wheels with 35-inch tires. Reggie's gonna put this in a 2-post lift, and we're gonna get this process going. All right guys, for this build, we're using the rough country kit right here. These are all the components. As you can see, Reggie already has this vehicle pretty much stripped down. We're gonna move on to the next step and getting the wheels and tires ready. How's it going guys? Now for this build, this customer selected a 20x10 Scorpion off-road wheel. He went with the chrome finish, and we're gonna wrap it together with a 35 450 20 Venom Power XT. We're about to put these together and we're gonna move on to getting them put on. All right, Reggie's pretty much finishing it up already. I think he just needs to put that tie rod in on. But he's almost done, and we're gonna get this bad boy aligned. All right guys, so we completed this build. This is a 2022 Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. The setup that the customer selected was a 6-inch rough country kit. The wheels were a 20x10 Scorpion off-road, and the tire is a 35 1250 20 Venom Power XT. He also went with the Fender Flares, rough country Fender Flares, which also gave him a real rugged, good look. Just like always, guys, all you got to do is like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and we'll have more builds to come. Out.